Firefighting equipment. Portable fire extinguishers. Different types of fires require different types of extinguishers. You should buy fire extinguishers with an A, B, C rating. The letters on the fire extinguishers explain the types of fires that it's designed to put out. Fires are classified as follows. There are 3 classes of fire extinguishers exist. Class A fights solid and combustibles, woods, textiles, papers, etc. Class B fights combustible liquids, flammable liquids such as paint, grease, and oil. And then there's Class C. They fight electrical fires, motors, fuse boxes, and cables, etc. The number before the letters on the extinguishers tell you the size of the fires that it will put out. For example, a 10 BC will put out a larger fire than a 5 BC device. Any fire extinguisher you choose must be certified and labeled by the U.S. Coast Guard for marine use, Underwriters Laboratory, or Canada, Underwriters Laboratory Incorporated. Check your fire extinguishers often for correct operating pressure and make sure that you and your guests know how to use them. Have it serviced by a qualified technician as described by the manufacturer's instructions. And here's a tip for you. Take a dry chemical extinguisher out of the bracket every once in a while and give it a few hard shakes in the upside down position. Axe. In case of fire, you can use an axe to free up a stuck door on a boat. It can also be used to put out a fire between the layers of the hull or to cut a mooring or towing cable during an emergency. Any type of axe is acceptable, including a small axe, but the axe should have a pointed end and it should be readily accessible and stored away from the elements. Buckets. The main purpose of the bucket is to put out Type A fires. A bucket full of water will help put out these fires easily. The only requirement is that the bucket will have the capacity of at least 10 liters. However, it is recommended that the buckets are fitted with a piece of rope with sufficient length to reach the water from the place where it is stored.